Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on this trailer in case anybody's wanting to convert one. So this is a camper, pop-up camper at one point. Just kind of give you the rundown on it here. Alright, so it's had some damage in the front of it in the past. It was like that when I got it, so all I did was paint it black. The floor, I believe, is original to the camper. He's put these eyelets in, and there's also plywood on the sides and the door, and the door is locked shut, so you don't have to worry about it opening. Pretty much just gutted it. Let's see. So my tailgate, I've just got 3 2x4s, and on the ends of them I've got them notched so they just drop right in place. Tail lights do work. The only downside to it is the fender wells, but you still got like 5.5 feet in between them, so they're not too big a deal. That's pretty much it. Another thing I like about this trailer, if you want to load it up with stuff, you can do a few different things with it. I've got the rails on here. These still go all the way up and down. You can put a box plywood around it if you wanted to, make you a deeper trailer. Also, I don't know if I'll be able to get this in the camera or not. Right here, if you twist that little knob, it's got the levelers all the way around the trailer, so it's got 4 levelers under it if you decide to fill it up and want to unhook it. That's pretty much it. I mean, simple conversion. You gut it, put some wood on the side, and you got a utility trailer. There's nothing really to it. Yeah, so if you're interested in doing a conversion like that, it's a simple one. I may eventually put a tailgate on it, I don't know, but for now that works for me. So yeah, that's the conversion for a pop-up camper to utility trailer. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.